This is the Mercedes G-Wagon you bought for $200,000. Even though it is already 6 years old, it has only driven 380,000 kilometers and is still in its so-called break-in period. Your friends say you got ripped off and wasted your money, but you with your style and me with my skills think differently. So we teamed up and decided to give it a complete restoration and truly experience the joy of spending less money to achieve something great. Watch till the end and see who gets proven wrong. Now let's get to work and start by stripping the exterior parts. The exterior has been fully stripped. Next, you continue removing the interior while I record the whole restoration process for us. That's the process of separating the car body after disassembly. The more we kept taking it apart, the more fired up I got. Don't ask why young people just have a lot of energy. Since we already stripped everything down, we might as well upgrade the exterior too. Dry ice is used to remove the asphalt inside the car. The ultra-low temperature freezes the asphalt and makes it brittle, so it can be removed easily from the body shell. The car shell is now ready for paint stripping. Put on the protective suit and get inside to start working while I film everything through the window. The paint stripping is complete. Good job, that was some hard work. Now we start the electrophoresis process. You handle the filming and I will press the buttons when everything is ready. Full body electrophoresis allows every corner and inner cavity of the car body to be fully coated, providing strong anti-rust and anti-corrosion protection with excellent adhesion, greatly extending the life of the vehicle. After swimming, the car body is put into the drying oven for baking. Now we are ready for painting. The entire car inside and out will be sprayed in your favorite desert-style color. Same as always, grab the spray gun and do it yourself. The painting is complete. Great work, you did an awesome job. Since we already started spraying, we might as well apply underbody coating too. Now we begin restoring the chassis first with a basic wash and cleaning before moving on to the full treatment. Since everything is already dismantled, we also clean and treat the chassis frame next. We start polishing all key parts, including the underbody structure. Polishing removes rust and dirt completely and creates a smooth surface which improves paint adhesion and long-term corrosion resistance. Frame electrophoresis provides complete rust and corrosion protection with strong adhesion and impact resistance. It prevents rust on the chassis frame from the root cause, ensuring long-term durability. Preparing to begin reassembling the chassis. engine and transmission reinstallation. We add all the fluids to the vehicle and install a brand new drainage channel system. We test the rear seat functions, then install the rear spoiler and carbon fiber hood. Friend, your BRABUS is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.